everyone, I am Christy. I am the owner and founder of SGN, Signature Global Network. I'm also an author, and my next book is coming by the end of this year, 2022. And thank you so much for your support so far and for listening to our channels. And here I am today to explain to you about this whole series we have produced in August 2022. And the series is called Happy Staff, Happy Logistics People. If you haven't downloaded any podcasts from us, please go and check it out. The podcast has been produced to help you and help your daily life, especially for any staff as well as employers like the owners and the business managers. It is super helpful because our goal is to help people, especially in the logistics industry, and we want to make a difference. So don't miss it out. I just want to quickly tell you that what we have produced in August, and here are some topics I'm going to read for you. The first one is, how do you keep staff in the logistics industry stay longer in your company? And the second one is, how do you adjust staff's expectations without hurting their feelings? And the third one we have produced is called, how do you find suitable staff in different roles in the logistics industry? And we are trying to produce more topics to cover all your needs. The reason behind it is that we want to make sure everyone is having a peaceful and happy working environment, especially in the logistics industry. And our goal is to bring joy and happiness to your life and your workplace. If you are like us, please check it out and join us to become part of us and to make a difference in the logistics world. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to see you next time.